Welcome to Elite Auto Locksmiths. We are a family-run business who pride ourselves on great customer service. All of our locksmiths are fully trained, insured and vetted, meaning your vehicle is in good hands. Our regular customers include most major breakdown organisations, insurance companies and even main dealers. Our services include lost or stolen car key replacement, damage-free vehicle entry, spare car key cutting, key and immobiliser programming, Renault key card replacement, and remote fob repair or replacement. We operate a 24-hour emergency call-out service throughout Wirral, Cheshire and Liverpool and can provide a rapid key replacement service in under 1 hour. If you would like to contact us, please call us on 07746 423 555 or visit our website www.eliteautolocksmith.co.uk.